Welcome everyone. This is your honorary channel. Your honorary channel shares pretty broad educational tutorials, reaction videos, sharing some reviews, doing travel vlogs, and more awesome videos. So now I'm going to show you some of the tools that you can use to apply to your chosen university, especially if you completed your senior certificate, you completed your national senior certificate, or maybe you completed your diploma in TVET college. So now you want to apply to your chosen university. So now you're going to make it easy for yourself. You don't have to stress out, just have to relax, take off your smartphone, then you go to Play Store, then you download a Uniwise app. Now it will show you Uniwise app is written University Prospectus. You press download, then you press open after installation. Now here's the home page now. Home page shows you Uniwise, and then you can search here whatever you want to search, any course you basically want to search. Then it shows you prospectus here. You can explore various courses requirements. Maybe you want to do law, higher certificate, you want to do advanced certificate, you want to do diploma, you want to do advanced diploma, you want to do bachelor's degree, maybe you want to do honors degree, and so on. So it shows you here. You want to apply for admission, it shows you. You want to apply for registration, it shows you. So here it shows your app store, which means your app score basically. So you don't have to stress about every time trying to calculate your app score. No, everything is here on one application. Then here it shows you your closing date for admission, registration, or maybe for your registration after you have been admitted. Very simple. So now most of the universities are closed for admission. It's all about registration now. But don't worry about that. I'll just show you in case you want to apply for maybe first semester, your second semester, or maybe for next year. You can just save this application and then use it. It will help you. So now we press here onto this left corner. It will show you here. So here, after you downloaded the application, you sign in, you write your name, you write your last name, you write your email address, then you put on your password, then you click sign up, it will register you, then you click sign in, then it will appear here your honorarium, so it will show you your email address. Then you press here username, my username is your honorarium, I press save, it will save my username. If you want to change your username, obviously, you can simply press and then change your username. Very simple as that. So there's no big deal here. Then now, here is the important part. Now, you did a senior certificate, or maybe you did your national senior certificate, you did your college diploma, TVET qualification. Now, you're going to put your grades here. The easiest thing now, you press grades, so it shows you grades, account deletion, help and support. So if you need some help, you just press here for some help, then you email them, or for inquiries you just write for any inquiries. But now we're going to focus on grades. We press grades, so now it shows you here, if you have grade 11, you passed your grade 11. Now you're going to do grade 12, or maybe you're currently doing grade 12. You can take your grade 11 results, then you can put it here, and then you apply for admission to any your chosen university. So go to press plus here, then you scroll down, you search here all your subject, all your grades that you did. So now I'm going to show you, let's say you did English as your home language. So now basically you're going to put here what is on your matric result, your matric report, or maybe your college diploma grades. So we could just go and scroll down here, then we're going to search English. Now here is English as home language. We press plus here, which means the percentage. Then let's say now on your results it shows that you passed English home language with let's say with 50%. You press add. After 50%, you press add. Then it will add that a grade. You go back to a grade again. Okay, you see now here we double click. We can just delete this one. If you made a mistake, you double click the home language. You just press and hold. Then it will show you all your grades. Then show you delete and update. You press delete. Now we have English home language 50%. We press plus. Then we check now. Maybe let's say you did Afrikaans as your first additional language. So now we're going to put Afrikaans as your first additional language. Here's Afrikaans. Maybe let's say in the Afrikaans, maybe we did 39%. We press 39%. We press plus. Here it is, second subject. We press plus again. Then let's say you did geography. Let's go and check now. You just scroll down. It shows you here is geography. You press your percentage. Maybe let's say geography. You pass geography with 49%. You press add. You don't guess here. You check on your report. You put what is on your report here. It will show you the app score. It will show you which university do you qualify for certain course. See, simple as that. Then you press plus. We add another subject now. After geography, let's say we did life sciences. So we scroll down, looking for life sciences. Here's life sciences. Maybe life sciences, we did some 50%. 50%, then you press plus. Now here is life sciences. We add again. Then now we check for physical sciences. Maybe we did physics. Then we go check, okay, we're going to put physics. Then on physics, maybe we did maybe 52%. So we get 52% in physics. Then we go back. Now we check life orientation. You did life orientation and mathematics. So now let's check now. Life orientation. Basically everyone is good when it comes to life orientation. You cannot get less than 40, maybe less than 20. Life orientation, come on now. We have to have 60 something. Life orientation. Then we check mathematics. You did mathematics. So you check mathematics. If you did mathematical literacy, you put literacy. If you did mathematics, you put mathematics. So let's say now here we did 47. Boom. Now we have all your 7 subjects, which are your grades: geography, physical sciences, 52%, life orientation 60%, life sciences 50%, mathematics 47%, English home language 50%, then Afrikaans is 39%. Now you go back now. You go back again. So those subjects or grades are already saved there. So now I have to check now your app score. We click app score. Here we can see Tshwane University of Technology 20 app score, and then 20 app score University of South Africa, 20 app score Northwest University, 20 app score University of Johannesburg, 20 app score University of Pretoria, 19 app score University of Wits, 21 score University of the Free State, 27 score University of the Western Cape. So you're just simply going to check here which qualification do you qualify, or which course do you qualify on, based on the prospectus of these universities. So now simply go check here. So here prospectus will show you which course you qualify. Discover over 1,000 courses offered by different universities in South Africa. You select an institution, so any university: Stellenbosch University, University of South Africa, Northwest University, Tshwane, University of Technology, University of Johannesburg, University of KwaZulu-Natal, University of Wits, Witwatersrand, Zululand, Western Cape, Venda Technology, Mangosuthu, University of Mpumalanga, Sol Plaatje universities. You check which one do you want to apply. Maybe let's say you want to apply at University of South Africa. You press University of South Africa, or maybe you click, and then you search faculty. Let's say now maybe we want to do law, or it depends, maybe educational, but we press law in this case. We search now prospectus, we press search.
Using the law of attraction to your advantage. The law of attraction.
Now here it shows now the courses. So we have higher certificate in criminal justice, higher certificate in law. So if we press law, you want to check you qualify in law, you have higher certificate. Some of the people they have they did pass with bachelor's or diploma, yet they choose to apply for higher certificate courses. But it depends. You qualify here on higher certificate, you qualify for diploma in law, you qualify for bachelor's in criminology, you qualify for bachelor of commerce in law, bachelor of laws. So which means all these courses, higher certificate, diploma, bachelor's, maybe you want to choose bachelor's, boom, you go to bachelor's, course information, bachelor's of laws, University of South Africa, maximum duration is 10 years. You see, basically we know most LLB takes about 4 years. Then now, during your admission, you have to pay. Application fee is 120 Rand for online application in UNISA. You check requirements. So now you have to have a national senior certificate, 50% language, it depends. So you may have 15 app score. Still 15 app score, you can qualify for higher certificate. Or maybe you can qualify for a based on app score. You can check you want to apply higher certificate, diploma, and then bachelor's degrees and so on. Then briefly we check careers. So it's not available career choices here, but we know bachelor's of law, you're going to be maybe an attorney or legal secretary, anything based on law. Then we go back. You can press here University of South Africa or maybe University of Pretoria. You see, depends which one do you want. So now you can press here and check closing dates. So,
using the law of attraction to your advantage. The law of attraction allows you to bring into your life.
We only have registration dates here. So there's no admission as such. We have Tshwane University, which is closed on 27 January 2023. Then we have University of South Africa, undergraduate semester 1 and 2 modules registration. Closing date is on the 3rd February 2023. University of Johannesburg, first year undergraduate registration. Closing date is on the 10th February 2023. Tshwane University of Technology, closing date for registration, is on the 10th February 2023. February, University of Free State, first year, first semester registrations, closes on the 17th February 2023. I think here it's one University of Technology. This one is late application process. I think this one is admission process. Late admission here. Then here it shows on the 10th February is for registration. You see? On the 27th January, it closes for admission. Then February 10th closes for registrations. So it's still open. Then now you press here on report. So we are on the home page. You can press here on report. It will show all the universities you qualify. So university report 104 qualified courses. So you qualified over 104 courses. You qualified University of Pretoria 2 qualification. You qualify on 2 courses. Higher certificate in sports if you want to do that. VET 0 qualified courses. The University of South Africa 66 qualified courses. We can do higher certificate. Let's scroll up. Higher certificate. We can do diploma. You want to do diploma? Let's scroll up. You want to do, let's say, bachelor's. Here are bachelor's degrees. You choose your bachelor's degree. Which one do you want to do? Bachelor's degree, Bachelor of Law. Boom, you qualify. Then on Northwest University, you qualified 11 qualified courses. Extended BCom here, extended BCom, extended bachelor's. You see? BCom, we don't have to stress, we just have to check here. Okay, in Tshwane University of Technology, you qualify for 15 qualified courses. You can do diploma, fashion design, diploma, jewelry. You can do higher certificate in music. In correctional services, diploma, public affairs. It's mostly a higher certificate in diploma here. So if you want to do that, you can do that. Sole Plaatje, no qualifications. University of Western Cape, you see masses, only 10 of them. Bachelors of Oral Health, okay, of course we want to get clean. So you just search here. Very simple, very simple. You press notifications, you check the updates, grade 12 results, boom, you check here. You press and then scroll in. You see, metric pass requirements, it shows you. Bachelor's degrees, if you passed with bachelor's degrees, at least 40% for your home language, at least 50% for 4 other subjects, excluding LO, at least 30% in language of learning and teaching of the tertiary institution, at least 30% for 1 other subject. This is bachelor's degrees. See, very simple. Diploma pass, at least 40% for your home language, which is compulsory, at least 40% for 4 other subjects, excluding life orientation, at least 30% in language of learning and teaching of the tertiary institution. Then now we have higher certificate pass. So you don't have to stress with your higher certificate pass. If you have 15 points EB score upwards, don't stress, just apply for a higher certificate in a university. You're going to study that for first semester, second semester, which is 1 year. Basically, it's expected to be passed within 1 year actually. After higher certificate, next year, you apply your admission for LLB, maybe let's say for bachelor's degree basically. You see? Your bachelor's degree. So you don't have to stress. No, I'm shy because my EB score are very low. No, I want to go back to high school to upgrade. No, relax. Just download Uniwise, check here which one university apply. You go straight to it. So for higher certificate pass, you have to have at least 40% for your home language, which is obviously compulsory. At least 40% for 4 other subjects. At least 30% for your for 4 other subjects. Then boom, you passed your higher certificate. The next thing now here, it shows here UNISA 2023 registrations. Okay, this one is for people who already registered for admission and then received offer. They accepted the offer. Then now they apply for registration. See? So it's step by step. At the same time, it shows you how to apply for NSFAS for 2023. You can see NSFAS here. It shows you at the same time NSFAS 2023 applications, requirements. Very simple. But we'll cover these ones next time. We will definitely cover